that's where I'm headed. Truck's parked over there. This you can see it. Valley's out right here in the field, and it just literally sucks all the traffic right down here. I'm looking for a deer. I had that buck right at the beginning of the season, full velvet, but he distinctly had a bladed G2. And then I had him all through early season, and then he completely vanished. I figured he got killed, but then he showed up weeks after the season was over, and he only had one side, and he was down in this area. So pretty nice. I don't really know what deer that is. It's got the cool little hook point. I've been down in this nasty ditch for hours. It is super thick. Here's a whole scrape. Check this out. See that licking branch right there? And there's you see it, the whole scrape was right there. And then that's what I'm I can't tell if that's bean stalks or antlers sticking up. It looks like bean stalks. Well, it is not bean stalks. Look at that. See that right there? Last little bit of food on this farm. Oh man, what a cool buck. Check this out. That is it. That is him. See that bladed? That is cool. I don't really find too many match sets. That's a big 9. Like I said, not